Immun'Âge FPP protection during menopause and hormone replacement therapy. Hello, I'm Dr. Pierre Montello, Director of the Osato Research Institute.
Hello, I'm Amelie Montello, the Director of Scientific Communications at the Osato Research Institute.
Studies on the protective effect of Immun'Âge FPP during menopause and hormone replacement therapy.
Menopause is associated with an alteration of the redox balance due to a concomitant decrease in antioxidant capacity and an increase in oxidative stress, making the body more vulnerable to various age-related diseases.
This decline of the redox balance, combined with a progressive loss of estrogen in the female reproductive system, is strongly associated with various adverse effects of menopause such as heart disease, vasomotor disorders, and osteoporosis.
Within the brain, estrogen regulates multiple important functions of mitochondria and protects them from dysfunction. The mitochondrial dysfunction can lead to a relentless increase in free radicals, and the mitochondria are most affected by excessive oxidative stress. Impaired mitochondrial function in the brain has recently been described as a risk factor for neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. This dysfunction leads to a reduction in neuronal activity, which you can see here with PET scan imaging before and after the menopause. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF is involved in survival of existing neurons and plays an important role in learning, memory, and other cognitive functions. In post-menopausal women there is a decrease in brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This leads to a reduction in cognitive functions.
According to the World Health Organization, WHO, 60% of women gain weight during menopause. This is a risk factor for the development of intestinal permeability responsible for inflammatory changes in the body linked to the systemic passage of lipopolysaccharide, LPS. This inflammatory environment is also associated with, among others, neurodegenerative diseases leading to memory disorders.
Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, has become very popular after several studies proved its beneficial effect on cardiovascular diseases. Among other known benefits, an improvement in redox balance has also been attributed to HRT. However, contradictory reports have also emerged. Some results show that the postmenopausal state, even when treated with HRT, is associated with an imbalance of the redox system with a decrease in antioxidant enzyme activity and an increase in oxidative stress.
Because of its antioxidative properties, fermented papaya preparation FPP may be a valuable option as part of a broader strategy to promote health and to help protect against diseases in postmenopausal women. In order to prove the beneficial effects of fermented papaya preparation FPP during the menopause, we have studied FPP in 2 clinical studies to demonstrate its advantages for menopausal women with or without hormone replacement therapy HRT.
The aim of this published study made by Professor Francesco Murata in 2020 was to test fermented papaya preparation FPP on oxidative stress and mitochondrial efficiency in postmenopausal women comparatively to a multivitamin supplement. The parameters studied are explained below.
Material and methods. 69 postmenopausal non-smoking women who were not on hormone replacement therapy HRT, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, BHRT, phytoestrogens, steroids, or ongoing food supplements. Participants were divided into 2 groups, matched for age, duration of menopause diagnosis, body mass index, BMI, educational level, high school diploma and higher degree, dietary intake, and physical activity, kilocalories per week, while being instructed to refrain from intense physical exercise. Group A with a multivitamin twice per day, Group B with fermented papaya preparation FPP, and Group C consisting of 23 fertile premenopausal women, aged 37 to 46, served as young controls. Dietary intake was controlled and the study lasted 6 months.
The level of antioxidative enzymes like superoxide dismutase and glutathione peroxidase were significantly lower in menopausal women. Antioxidative protection is low. Testing fermented papaya preparation FPP against a multivitamin supplement, only subjects supplemented with FPP showed a statistically significant improvement of antioxidative protection at the end of the 6 months observation period.
In the subgroup of patients with BMI greater than or equal to 26, multivitamin supplementation was ineffective in reducing MDA throughout the study period, whereas FPP yielded a statistically significant reversal to normal level from the 3rd month onwards versus related multivitamin group and baseline.
The brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF is a central regulator of axonal reorganization and plasticity in the adult brain. BDNF is produced by neurons and necessary for the differentiation and survival of neurons. Compared to the premenopausal women group, subjects in menopause showed a statistically lower plasma concentration of BDNF, corresponding to the baseline. Multivitamin treatment did not affect this parameter when observed throughout the study period, whereas fermented papaya preparation FPP yielded a trend improvement that reached a statistical significance at 3 and 6 months versus premenopausal women, and versus baseline and multivitamin supplemented group. FPP helps protect the brain against the risk of neurodegeneration in menopausal women.
The ratio between cyclooxygenase, COX, marker of mitochondrial dysfunction, and citrate synthase, CS, measurement of undamaged mitochondria, is important to measure the dysfunction of mitochondria. Reduced protection due to low estrogen levels in postmenopausal women is highlighted by a decrease in the COX/CS ratio. Multivitamin treatment did not prove to be of any effect, unlike the FPP, which yielded a significant restoration at 3 and 6 month observation versus baseline and multivitamin-treated group. FPP helps to fight against mitochondrial dysfunction, which underlie neurodegenerative pathological conditions.
Conclusion. Fermented papaya preparation FPP is able to reduce the redox imbalance of menopausal women. FPP is also able to normalize oxidative stress present in overweight menopausal women. FPP normalize as well the low brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, which result in a significant restoration of mitochondrial function. These observations show that FPP can help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative conditions associated with menopause, for example cognitive disorders.
Leaky gut and postprandial, redox and inflammatory markers in hormone replacement therapy treated menopausal females, benefits by a pharma-grade fermented papaya preparation, FPP. Aim: to test FPP on oxidative stress and inflammatory markers, immune system modulatory efficiency together with gut permeability in hormone replacement therapy, HRT, treated postmenopausal women. We show you below the parameters tested.
We tested for 6 months, 74 women who had been menopausal for at least 1 year, non-smokers with a body mass index BMI between 21 and 29 stable in weight, women on hormone replacement therapy HRT without taking steroids or various supplements. We separated them into groups. Group A, 37 individuals, with HRT treatment without supplements. Group B, 37 individuals, with HRT treatment plus FPP, 2 times 4.5 grams per day, and Group C, 25 individuals, menopausal women, 51 to 57 years old, not treated with HRT as a control group. Treatments were maintained for 6 months. Menopausal women without hormone replacement therapy HRT, oxidative stress didn't change MDA stay at high level. Menopausal women with hormone replacement therapy have a little diminution of oxidative stress but non-significative. In subjects with a body mass index less than 24, hormone replacement therapy was associated with a significant beneficial variation of MDA. In subjects with a body mass index greater than 27, hormone replacement therapy showed no change compared to untreated menopausal women. Benefit of fermented papaya preparation FPP intake with hormone replacement therapy. FPP added to HRT yielded to a significant decrease of oxidation, MDA decrease, irrespective of body mass index.
As compared to the untreated menopausal control group, no HRT, hormone replacement therapy treated menopausal women, HRT, as a whole, showed a non-significant trend in the improvement of redox parameter concentration, SOD1, from the study entry.
Hormone replacement therapy HRT treated women with a body mass index greater than 27 showed no change when compared to untreated menopausal women.
Fermented papaya preparation supplementation yielded a significant improvement of all redox parameters at the 6-month evaluation visit, irrespective of body mass index.
As compared to the untreated menopausal control group, hormone replacement therapy treated menopausal women, as a whole, showed a non-significant trend in the improvement of redox parameter concentration glutathione peroxidase, GPX, from the study entry.
Hormone replacement therapy treated women with a body mass index greater than 27 showed no change when compared to untreated menopausal women.
Fermented papaya preparation supplementation yielded a significant improvement of GPX at the 6-month evaluation visit, irrespective of body mass index BMI. IL-6 was within normal range in all subjects at fasting testing, irrespective of HRT treatment and BMI. IL-6 showed a significant time course increase in postprandial testing after 2 hours and 4 hours. This phenomenon was partly but significantly mitigated in FPP supplemented group either in normal weight and overweight individuals versus all other groups irrespective of BMI. Interestingly, also HRT treated women with BMI less than 24, at 4H post-challenge meal, showed a significant variation increase of IL-6.
LPS is within normal range in all fasting subjects, irrespective of HRT and BMI. Postmenopausal women on HRT with a BMI 27 showed a significant increase in LPS level at 3 and 6-month observation compared to unsupplemented groups. The LPS increase at 3 and 6 months observation was completely prevented in FPP supplemented groups in normal weight HRT plus FPP, and in overweight individuals, HRT BMI 27 plus FPP, versus unsupplemented groups.
Conclusion: hormone replacement therapy has no significant effect on redox parameter in treated or untreated menopausal women. Hormone replacement therapy HRT has only a significant beneficial effect on MDA in menopausal women with a body mass index less than 24. Women HRT treated with a BMI greater than 27 has no change compared with non-treated menopausal women. The present study confirms that FPP supplementation leads to a significant improvement of all redox parameters and a decrease in inflammation, independently of BMI.
General conclusion. These studies confirm the redox imbalance, decreased mitochondrial function, and loss of neuronal protection in women after menopause, even in those with HRT. They also show that FPP improves redox status and neuroprotection in post-menopausal women. And the studies confirm the superior efficacy of FPP compared with a multi-component antioxidant formula. Its antioxidant properties and beneficial effect on mitochondrial bioenergetics and inflammation make FPP an interesting option in a broader strategy to promote health and to protect against diseases in postmenopausal women. It is particularly beneficial for women not using hormone replacement therapy.
Protection against the adverse effects of menopause with or without hormone replacement therapy. Dosage: 3 packets per day, for 2 to 3 months, 3 to 4 times per year. Action: helps counteract oxidative stress, mitochondrial dysfunction, and the loss of neuronal protection in menopausal women. Result: helps counteract the adverse effects of menopause.
Thank you for your attention.